Hi, welcome to the Java Core Learning course by Example project, and my name is Chien. And today in the day 5, I wanted to talk about how to work with the do while looping in Java. Okay, so firstly, in the day 4, we are already talk about how to work with the while looping in Java. So the firstly do while it look like the same thing when we work with while loop, but it have a different is so when you are using the while looping. So the condition will check first. But if you are using the do while, so the condition will check later. It means the do while will guarantee the loop execution at least one. Okay. So now I will show you the demo. Open Eclipse. Okay. I will create new class. Do while looping loop. Okay, cool. So now I will create a very basic example. So just print out the message. Okay, let's get started. Okay, here. So for the do we will execute the firstly we create a variable is the I and the value is 5, and we will execute the query do and just print out the methods the hello customer, and after that we increase the value of the I variable here. So after we print out the message to the console window, so after that we check if the I is less than 10, so we will run out the looping. Otherwise, if the condition is still true, so we run it again for the code in the do. Okay, so now let's run it and see the result. Okay, here. Yeah. Okay. So now here, if I change the I less than 5, so actually if we are using the while, not using the do while, so if the I is less than 5 here, and we didn't print out any message out of the screen, but if we are using do while, it will print out at least one time. Okay, let's see. Yeah. So after it print out the message, so increase the variable to 6, and it takes the condition, and the condition is 4. So after that we stop the looping to display the message here. Okay. So here if we I will comment out this one. If we use the y, I will show you demo. Y I less than 5. Yeah. So now here, if I run this application, so we don't have any message print out here. Yeah. Because before print out the message, it will check the condition, and for now the I is equal 5, and it greater or equal 5, so the condition is false, so we cannot see the message in the console console window. Okay, cool. I will remove this one. Run it again. Cool. Okay, so I hope this video will helpful for you, and after you finish this video, you know how to use your do while looping in your Java application. And basically the do while and while looping in Java, it should be the same thing, and we have only one difference is the while. When we are using while, it will check the condition first, and otherwise when you are using the do while, it will check do while, it will check the condition later. Okay, hope that helped, and let me know if you see any issue. Bye bye, see you later.